Intelligent lighting systems dim or turn off when a room is unoccupied. Over time, these small savings can add up to a significant reduction in your energy bills. But the benefits of smart homes aren't just about convenience, security, and savings. They can also contribute to your health and well-being. Imagine a home that adjusts lighting based on the time of day to support your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Or a home that monitors indoor air quality and automatically adjusts ventilation. These aren't futuristic fantasies, they are realities in a smart home. And finally, smart homes are scalable. You can start small with a couple of smart devices and gradually incorporate more technology as your comfort level grows. This flexibility allows everyone, from tech novices to experts, to enjoy the benefits of a smart home. Clearly, the benefits of smart homes extend beyond just convenience and are truly revolutionizing the way we live. So, are you ready to embrace the future of living? In just a few minutes, we've taken a glimpse into the future of living. We've explored a world where our homes are more than just four walls and a roof. They're intelligent, responsive, and proactive. They're designed to make our lives more comfortable, more secure, and more efficient. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality that's already unfolding. From automated lighting and heating systems that save energy, to security features that offer peace of mind, smart homes are redefining the way we live. They're about convenience, yes, but also about augmenting our lives in meaningful ways. In this era of technological advancement, smart homes are not just a luxury, they're becoming a necessity. They're shaping the future, and that future is happening right now. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. And with smart homes, we are creating a future of convenience, security, and